Well, we're back on the Sport Fury. As you can tell, we were putting coolant in, and everything was going nice and good until all of a sudden I got a leak down in there. Well, funny as it may seem, and you'll see it a little bit later, there is a leak coming out of the block, but because they used the wrong part. So we'll take it apart and show you what the problem was. Well, you can see where some dirt daubers took up residence inside that water pump there. That wasn't nice. See another one there. The remains there. And they had that one completely plugged. That was interesting. Very interesting. It's a good thing I pulled this sucker apart. So this will show you why we had to take the timing cover back off. And you can see where the extra hole would be on one of these. And this is the hole. We'll come back after we got it cleaned up and I'll show you the repair. Alright, now you can see the hole. What I ended up doing, took an Allen wrench with a set screw, and that one is into the jacket. Now, I still need to pull it back out one more time, but this was chasing the threads with it. And I need to go through and seal the threads on that one so that no water will come out in the future. But that's the repair. Something as easy as that. That's all they had to do. Okay, no leak so far. I have cranked this thing over a couple times.